second video of JavaScript data types, and in the second video I would like to talk about JavaScript numbers. Okay, JavaScript data type numbers has only one type of number. Okay, numbers can be written with or without decimals, and here are a few examples. For example, var x1, okay, is equal to 34.00. okay, and this is written with decimal. Then you have var x2 is equal to 34, and this is written without decimals. Okay, and then you have extra large or extra small numbers can be written with scientific or exponential notation. Let's look at this example, how we can do that. Let me clear the screen first. Alright, let's get started with the example. Type with me doc type doc type HTML body, open paragraph, and say id is equal to demo, and close the paragraph tag. Okay, open up the script tag and say var x1 is equal to 34, var x2 is equal to, okay, this first one is 34.00 with decimals. Okay, the second one is simply 34 with an end of statement marker. That's it. And var y is equal to 123 e5, and var z is equal to 1 2 3 e minus 5. Okay, I know it doesn't make sense. I'm trying to make a point here, so just bear with me. Document dot get element by id demo. Okay, dot inner html is equal to x1 plus, there is a line break, plus x2 plus, there is another line break, plus y plus line break, oops, it's supposed to be a bracket, yeah, plus z. Okay, and make sure you add your end of statement marker and the script tag body and HTML. Alright, let's save this. Okay, just don't add the end of file marker here, that's wrong. Okay, and save the file. Alright friends, let's save this file and save it as HTML. Okay, I already have it saved, And let's try to find this file here, data types 2. Okay, so as we saw in the program, x1 is 34.00 and x2 is 34. It's going to be displayed in the same way. Y is 123E5, which means 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, and Z is 123E minus 5, which is 0.00123. That's how you denote decimals in JavaScript. So when I said that in exponential notation, you use this kind of E5 is 5 zeros, E minus 5 is decimal zeros before the number after the zero, before the zero, 0.00123, that is the 5 decimal places. Okay, and E5 is 1 2 3, after this 3 5 zeros after the last number on the screen. So this is how you denote the large, extra large numbers or extra small numbers using exponentiation. So please remember, E5 is number to the power of 5, which means and E minus 5 is the after the decimal 5 decimal places. All right, let me clear the screen here, and I want to talk about JavaScript Boolean. Okay, Booleans can have only 2 values. It could be true or it could be false. Example is, and I'm not going to bother writing a program on this because this is very simple. You could either have var x is equal to true, or you could have var y is equal to false. Okay, and booleans are often used in conditional testing. Okay, just like I mentioned, I am not going to create a special program for the JavaScript Boolean, so we're just going to move on to the next Java string data type, JavaScript arrays. Okay, and these are written in square brackets, just like I explained at the beginning. Now where are the square brackets? Let me see. All right, these are curly square brackets. Okay, and array items are separated by commas. Okay, and we're going to write the code. Okay, and the code is going to declare or create an array called cars containing 3 items. Okay, be car names. Okay, let's try to do this program. I'm going to go ahead and delete this screen here and begin writing the program. Okay, let's begin, and I'm going to save this as data types 3. Okay, just I don't want to just hit the save button because this is a different data type. And let's begin. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag and open up the body tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say ID is equal to demo. Okay, and open up the paragraph tag, close the paragraph tag, and do script var cars is equal to, open up the square bracket and say sub, then say Volvo in inverted commas, I'm sorry, say Volvo, comma, and the last one is BMW within double quotes again, and close the square bracket and end of statement. Okay, so this is how you're going to write an array. Okay, and just write document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to cars. Okay, write cars with square bracket and 0 indirect. What is the meaning of 0? 0 means display the array at the position number 0. Okay, and which one is position 0? Saab is 0, Volvo is 1, BMW is 2. Remember, arrays always begin with 0. Okay, I will show this to you in different ways. Let me just finish this program. Script body HTML. Alright, let's save this. Alright, again I said save, and I want to save this as all files .html. Save. Okay, and let me find this file, data types 3. Notice only Saab is displayed because he asked for the array cars at position number 0. Let's do position number 2. Okay, let me save the file, and what you should see is BMW, which is position number 2. There you go. Okay, one last try with position number 1. Let's save the file. Do not expect 1 to be Saab. No, Saab is 0. Okay, so position number 2 is Volvo. Alright, let's look at the next example. I'm going to clear the screen here. Okay, in this program I'm going to talk about JavaScript objects. Okay, and I want to save this file as data types 4. And let's begin the program. Let's type doc type. Okay, before I begin, let me tell you a few things about JavaScript objects. Okay, JavaScript objects are written with curly brackets. Okay, they're written with curly brackets like this. And object properties are written as name value pairs separated by commas. So properties, JavaScript object have properties, and they are written like this: name double colon value, just like you did in HTML coding. Background color brown, all the properties of background, or all the properties of border, all the properties of elements, all are written with name and value separated by double colon. Okay, if I give you a quick example here, you could say var person is equal to first name double colon John. Okay, it's a string value, mind you, and last name double colon Doe separated by comma, and age, this is the number, so I'm just going to say 50. Okay, and eye color is blue. So this is how you declare an object with properties. Object is the person, and the person has the following properties. Okay, we're talking about an object known as person with the following properties. All right, let's get on the program. Let's get on with the program. Okay, let me go ahead and delete these and write HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag, and say ID is equal to demo. Okay, perfect. And now let's begin the script. Okay, within the script tag, I want you to write for person. Okay, notice how I am going to arrange the code. I'm going to indent the code. Okay, open up the curly bracket and hit enter and hit tab. First name, okay, hit space, double colon, space, JOHN. All those things that I wrote in the previous screen before deleting this one, you have to write everything again. Tab, enter tab, last name, space. Okay, just try to create a nice a line of data one after the other. Do and comma, enter tab, age. Okay, hit space so that you come directly under the previous double colon, space, 50. Okay, comma, enter tab, eye color. Okay, space, double colon, space, double quotes, blue, double quote closed. Okay, and just do not add anything else in the end. Hit enter, close the curly bracket, and end of statement. Then say document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to person dot first name plus is plus person dot age. Remember, this is associating when you're relating two things together. So you're relating object with property. Years old, okay, period, inverted commas closed, semicolon, end of statement. That means script, end the script. Also end the body tag and end the HTML file. Right, let me go ahead and save this. Okay, take a good look. If you have missed anything, now's the time to pause the screen and save it. Okay, save and save as HTML file .html. Alright, and where is it? Data types 4. John is 50 years old. Okay, so you just created an array, and you created an object person, and you found out the first name, age. That's it, the first name and the age. You could also say John has, let me try something else with you, has plus person dot eye color. Okay, eye color, blue eyes. Notice that we have a space between the inverted commas. It's very important. Okay, I'm going to save, and notice John has blue eyes. Okay, just a second. Why is blue repeated? It says blue eyes. Why does it say that? Okay, person dot eye color. I'm not sure why it's showing. Okay, oops. Because I've written it myself. Yes, has blue eyes. File, save. John has blue eyes. Okay, so that's very simple. Okay, with this I'm going to end my video, and in the next video, JavaScript data type 2, I'm going to talk about the type of data types. Okay, and I'll be back. Take care.